Amazing driving we've seen here today. Looks like the McDonald's car taking the lead, but can he hold on to it? It's the Brad Mill maneuver. Works every time. And McDonald's wins. Quite a no. Now McDonald's has Hot Wheels cars with cool stickers that make them look like the ones real NASCAR drivers race.
I'm passing you.
Bill, Charles, it's time for the race. 120 each party Hot Wheels Happy Meal you buy at McDonald's.
Did you say McDonald's?